Hi, I'm Llewellyn, and today I'm just going to give you 5 quick, tiny investments you can use to save money in the long run. Really handy. I've got 5 small investments that you can do to save money in the long run. And if you do these, or if you don't, or if you do already, you will save money and you'll have a better financial future. It's really helped me along my road, and it can certainly help you. So most people view spending money as not trying to spend money on individual items, where that doesn't really actually make sense. The way to save money is to spend money on items that will accrue savings over time. Or, in the case of the first one, a library. Most people don't use their local library, and you get books for free, okay? You don't have to spend money on these books, and if you're going to make money in the long run, you need to be reading and updating your arsenal of knowledge to be able to access new tools, ways of thinking, ways to innovate your assets and expand what you have. There's also CDs available at your local library, so you can ditch Netflix, which is going to save you money, or Amazon. I mean, that stuff is a complete waste of money. If you're trying to save, that's going to be a drain. It's a hole in the boat. Some libraries have community projects where you can actually take home a computer for free, giving it back eventually, of course, or access to different marketplace tools to help you save money, or even financial advice. So use your local library. It's an incredible asset, and most people just don't use it, which is remarkable, because it's for free. The second thing is buying bulk clothing. So I tried to start a t-shirt business, and I bought hundreds of t-shirts. Okay, so you can buy basically 50 shirts, 100 shirts at £1 or $1.38 or £2 per shirt. Have them shipped to you, and you have t-shirts of decent quality for years to come. Now, you do have to expend a bit up front, but it's an investment. And you can do this not only with t-shirts, but all your different undergarments, things that are classy enough so that you can wear repeated variations of that. For instance, socks, trousers if they're like khaki, or just general work trousers that you can use. And you can save hundreds of pounds or dollars over the long term in a year on just having the common sense to buy clothing in bulk. And I'll put a few of those where you can get that below the video. The third little investment that you can do to save money is buy a massive bag of rice, the biggest one that you can probably fit in your home, and just do that every once in a while. You can make loads of different things with rice. You don't have to eat the same thing every day at all, and this is going to save you a lot of money over time. Buy lots of flour, okay, and just use that over time. Okay, so invest in big bulk items that you can use to make a lot of different kinds of meals. Fourth, most people don't do this, and I don't know why, but buy energy efficient light bulbs. Okay, when you move into a new flat, make sure that all the light bulbs are the best energy efficient bulb that you can find for that individual socket. You will save hundreds of pounds and dollars over the lifetime, and that's money that you can spend into making your life better and reaching your financial goals. Most people don't do this. I don't know why. It's one of the easiest things that you can do to save money. Energy efficient light bulbs. The fifth thing, invest in a cookbook, okay? Because eating out eating out is the worst thing that you could probably do on a regular basis. I mean, I'm guilty of eating out time to time, but try not to, because it's such a waste of money. Buy a cookbook, invest in it, gradually cook every little recipe in that cookbook. Not only do you save money by not eating out, but you actually teach yourself a new skill. You can use this to learn another language. If you buy a cookbook in Portuguese and you want to learn Portuguese, lots of people do that to learn languages, or get familiar with measurements. So you can learn a new skill this way, and not waste money. If you're eating out every day, I mean, you've got a hole in the boat and it's going out and you're gonna sink, so buy a cookbook. Well, if that's any of use to you, please subscribe, it helps the algorithms for me to get more views, and let me know what kind of videos you'd like in the future, and I will try to do that for you. If you need any advice, I can do that.